No. Give you some red. Okay. Roll it for the horsey.
Well, somebody's here.
Somebody here? No.
Huh?
Nobody's here.
No,
Mama was saying hi to the
I
baby.
went downstairs to get some olive oil.
Oh. Okay, move the horsey.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4. This one's. Now it's the turtle's turn.
Now the turtle's turn. What's in there?
1.
One there.
Poor turtle. 1. Kitty's turn.
No. Two.
2. Move her 2 times. 1. 2. Go back to blue. Now it's horsey's turn.
Horse's turn.
5.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my goodness. They're neck and neck. Who's gonna win?
Me, I'm winning.
It's turtle's turn.
No, mine.
Turtle has to go. No. Horsey didn't get to go yet. It's turtle's turn now. 1. Poor turtle.
Poor turtle. What? What happened?
Only gets to go 1.
Oh.
Yeah. That's okay. Try horsey.
Horsey is
Is Horsey
getting
gonna win?
5.
You better roll it and find out.
1.
1. Still didn't win. Okay, Kitty's turn. 5.
5.
Kitty wins the race. Way to go, Kitty. Where'd you find this?
Dollar store.
Cool.